Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, we're going to talk about the Clickbank Marketplace and how to choose a very good product to promote. Remember, it's all about choosing the right product for the right traffic. If you got very good traffic, but you don't have a good converting product, you're not gonna make any sales. You're not gonna make any commission. So in this video, we're just gonna go through some products on the Clickbank Marketplace and what to look for when it comes to choosing a product. Now, if you're watching one of my video for the first time on my YouTube channel, then smash the subscribe button. There should be a subscribe button below this video anyway. It should say subscribe on it. Just smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get all my video notifications. If you have any questions, just leave a comment for me. I'm here to help you make real affiliate commissions online. My YouTube channel has helped thousands of people from all over the world. So if you still haven't subscribed, then make sure you do that, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, share this video. So let's dive into this video. Clickbank Marketplace. If you don't have a Clickbank account, you could go and create a free Clickbank account. It's absolutely free of charge. Just create a Clickbank account and then just go to the Clickbank Marketplace. This is the Clickbank Marketplace. Now, there's two ways to spit out the products. One is if you just scroll down, you can see all the categories down here. The money is in e-business, e-marketing, and health and fitness. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't make money with other products. If you're passionate about some kind of topic and you find a product within that topic, then just promote that product, because in that case, what will happen is, because you're passionate about it, you won't give up very quickly. So even if you don't make money and you struggle, you won't give up. You'll keep trying until you start making money. So there are some other products in other categories that's doing very good and doing better than these two niche, health and fitness and e-business and e-marketing. But normally most of the people will choose these two categories because that's where the money is, that's where the competition is, and that's where people are spending a lot of money. All right. So e-business and e-marketing is all about make money online, affiliate marketing, and health and fitness is related to do with health and fitness. That includes weight loss, diet, dental issues, blood pressure issues, diabetes, etc. So these are the categories. If you look at the left-hand side category, you could choose a product from there, or what you can do is you could tell Clickbank to spit out all the top products with top commissions. All right. So what you could do is when you go to the Clickbank Marketplace, you just want to click on this button down here, and Clickbank's going to spit out all the products that's on the top list. So you could see here that this product, all right, if I just click on it, so that's the first thing you want to do. All right, you want to click on the product, and then you want to look at the gravity score. Look at this, the gravity score. The gravity score basically means how many successful affiliates promoted this and got paid in the last 30 days. And the higher the number, the better, because that means there is competition. And when there's competition, that means there's money to be made. All right. So you could see, man, 737.19 gravity score. This is shocking. All right. So the very high number of gravity score, and this is a health and fitness product. If I scroll down, okay, it has the affiliate tools, it's got upsell products as well, it's mobile friendly. This is a very key point that you need to understand. Whenever you promote a product, make sure it is mobile friendly, because if it's not mobile friendly, you will lose a lot of sales. It's a one-time product. It has a recurring commission product as well. And if I scroll to the right, I could see they're going to pay me up to $141.24. Okay, now a lot of people, when they're choosing a product, they will look at this part, all right, and they will say, okay, I'm going to get paid a lot of money, and they get excited, they start promoting it. They don't look at the traffic that they're going to use to promote this product. They don't know if the traffic is going to be a good fit to promote this product, and also they don't look at the gravity, etc. They don't even look at the sales page. This is a very wrong method and wrong step to take by just looking at the commission and deciding to choose a product. You have to look at the other things as well. You have to look at if it's mobile friendly. You have to look at the gravity score. You have to look at your traffic. Is going to fit with your offer, and are you getting targeted traffic now? So let's just go to the sales page and let's just see if this is something that we should promote. Okay, so far when I'm looking at the sales page, I could see that it looks like a very beautiful designed sales page. All right, so if I was looking, so I'm gonna put myself in a newbie shoes. So just say I was a newbie, I came to the internet and I was searching for a product related to weight loss that's going to help me lose weight. And I came across this product. I came to this sales page. Is this something that would tell me to buy the product? Is this something that would encourage me to buy the product? And the answer is yes, it would, because it's like a very beautiful design website. It's got the information, it's got the ingredients, it's got the fact, it's got the about the product as well. Okay, and if I just scroll down, it's giving me more and more information about this product. All right, so it's looking like a very good product. Okay, so I could see here that they have a lot of information about the product. It's looking like a very good product, and if I put myself in a newbie shoes and I'm looking for something that's related to weight loss, this would be a definitely a yes for me to buy the product. So that's what you want to look at. All right, so you put yourself in a newbie shoes and ask yourself this question: would I buy the product if I came across this page? So it's looking like a very good product. The only downside to this product is that they don't have a video. All right, a video which explains more details about the product and what they're going to get access to. So if you have a video, normally a video sales page converts better than a normal page. Remember that. But in this case, because this doesn't have a video, but still I believe this is a very good product, and the proof is this 737.19. That shows that there's a lot of conversions. All right, so when I look at the sales page, it's looking like a very good product for me to promote. And there you go. If I want to promote any kind of weight loss product, I would definitely try this out. Okay, people are making a lot of money promoting this product. All right, so this is how you choose a product. Now let's just look into, now when it comes to choosing a product, you could also uh, uh, select and unselect what you want. So you could even select physical products. So this is a physical product, right? You could also select the language of products as well. So if you're from like other countries, you could select which language you want the product to be in, and if you have some type of traffic in that language, you could also select that, and it's going to spit out those type of products. You could also go down and you could select these type of products as well. You want a one-time offer, you want a recurring commission. Recurring commission basically means the buyer purchases one-time product and then he continues to pay, and you make continuous monthly commissions or weekly commissions or yearly commissions, whatever it is. All right, and then $1 trial in my experience converts very good. And then down here you could also select and unselect other boxes as well, mobile friendly, affiliate tool pages. And also if you scroll down, you could also select the gravity, minimum, maximum, average conversion, maximum, minimum, etc. And you could spit out all the products. All right, so let's just go to the make money online niche, and let me show you one more product in this Clickbank Marketplace tutorial. So if I look here, I could see that the gravity for this product is 194. And by the way, I have made a couple of sales promoting this product. It's $64.16 in commissions. Okay, the recurring rebill is $41.44. And initial conversion is 1743. So let's just go to this product and let me see what they have to offer. Now if I look at the page, it's a very high quality page. As you can see, it's got a video as well, and like I said, I prefer a video sales page than a normal sales page, because a video sales page seems to convert very good compared to other products. All right, so I could see that the video sales page is explaining everything, and then down here it's just giving me whatever, like it's a question and answer session to get me to that point where I am ready to purchase the product. So it looks like a very good product. So if you have traffic related to make money online, then this is a very good product to promote. Now I have already shared one of my best recommended traffic sources in my previous video. Okay, I'm gonna have all the links in the description box below this video. You could use that traffic to promote this product and start making sales and commissions. Now if you are really, so this was all about Clickbank Marketplace tutorial. Now if you really want to make real commissions from affiliate marketing and make up to $10,000 a month, every single month from affiliate marketing, then there's a very, very good opportunity for you to change your life permanently. That's right. There's a system and a program that is helping people change their lives. If you are sick and tired from jumping from one product to another product, from seeing zeros in your Clickbank accounts, and you are ready to finally crack the code, then I highly recommend you click the link in the description box below this video. And when you click on that link, you're going to come to a page. Make sure you put your email in, and after you put your email in, go to that page, look at the video. People are getting real results, real people, real results, and people are changing their lives with making $10,000 plus per month in real affiliate commissions. Okay, so all the links are going to be in the description box below this video. Thanks for watching my video. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get my future videos. See you in the next video.